Let's start, students. Students, in last lecture, we had a deep discussion on the theory of partnership and we had discussed one sum. But today, we are continuing that particular topic and then we'll add some new topics in today's lecture. Students, write down the question. Write down the question. A, B, and C are A, B, and C are partners of a firm. A, B, and C are partners of a firm. Full stop. B and C has advanced.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you repeat the question? Actually, there was some network issue.
Surely. A, B, and C are partners of a firm. Full stop. B and C has advanced loan of rupees 30,000 and 20,000 to firm on 1/7/19 1/7/19 full stop. Firm pays 10% interest on loan, 10% interest on loan, full stop. Write journal entries, for year ending, write journal entries for year ending 31st March 2020 and prepare loan account. Date, particular, LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. Students, there are three partners, A, B, and C. B and C has advanced loan of rupees 30,000 and 20,000 respectively. Please tell me the date, students, on which date they have advanced the loan. 1st July
2019.
1/7/19. B and C has advanced loan to firm. So firm has received that amount. So debit what comes in bank account debit from where amount has been received to loan of B to loan of C. B has advanced loan of 30,000. C has advanced loan of 20,000. Total 50,000 received in business. Journal entry clear to everyone, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, students? Any doubt? Any doubt, students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Fine. So being will be received loan from B and C. Students, year ends on 31st March 2020. So firm is supposed to pay interest to B and C. If firm pays interest, then interest is expense to firm. So interest on loan account debited to whom we have to give the interest? To B and C. So to loan of B, and to loan of C. Journal entry once again. Firm has taken loan from B and C. So firm is supposed to pay interest to B and C. Interest is expense, so it is to be debited. Interest on loan account debited to whom we are supposed to pay interest? Loan of B and loan of C. Now the calculation of amount. We have taken loan from B of rupees 30,000. Students, what is the rate of interest on loan as per the question?
10%.
10%. Students, take care about the date. We have taken loan on 1/7/19 and year ends on 31/3/2020. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So we are having 9 months. So interest of 9 months is to be calculated. Please tell me the amount, students. 30,000 into 10% into 9/12.
2250.
I'm sure
2,250.
Yes, 2250. And in the same way,
1500.
C has advance loan of 20,000. 20,000 into 10/100 into 9/12. Please tell me the amount.
1500.
1500. So interest of rupees 2250 is to be given to B and interest of 1500 is to be given to C. Total is 3750. Journal entry and calculation. Clear to everyone, students?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, students, in journal entry or in calculation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Being
No, sir.
interest is provided on loan. Students, as per accounting rules, all incomes and expenses are to be closed on 31st March 2020. And all incomes and expenses are to be closed in profit and loss account. So, interest is our expense and it is to be closed down. Here, interest on loan is debited. When you are closing any income or expense, that has to be reversed. So, interest on loan is debit over here. It is to be credited to interest on loan. And what is to be debited? Profit and loss account is to be debited. Amount is 3750. 3750. Entry clear? Students, entry clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt to anyone?
सर लास्ट वाली एंट्री फिर से समझाओ ना.
See, interest on loan is our expense and we are supposed to close it. When you are closing any income or expense, then if it is debited, then it has to be credited. Interest on loan is debited over here, so it must be credited while closing the interest. And what is to be debited? All incomes and expenses are to be debited from profit and loss. So profit and loss account debited to interest on loan. Clear, Kush?
Yes, sir.
So being interest on loan is closed. Now we'll make the total 57,500. Students, any confusion in journal entries to anyone? No confusions? Students, you are
No,
feel
sir.
free to ask me. Feel free to ask me. Shall we go ahead, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, after journal entries, we have to make loan of B and loan of C. Loan of B, date, particular, JF, rupees, date, particular, JF, rupees. JF stands for general folio. It's a general folio number. which will be used practically when you will write accounts of some businessmen. Students, we are making loan of B account. As per your first journal entry, bank account debited to loan of B. So loan of B is 2. 2 means credit. So on credit side, we'll write the date 1719 by. In ledger posting in particulars, it is to be written inverse one. So we will write by pen. Amount of loan of B is 30,000. Posting clear, students? Students, posting clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall
Yes,
we go
sir.
ahead?
Sir,
Yes. Yes, Annie?
so please explain the system again.
Okay. We are making
So
loan
please
of B. We are making loan of B. In first journal entry, bank account debited to loan of B. So it's 2. 2 means credit. So on credit side, we'll write the date 1719. Amount is B's loan is 30,000. From where we have received it? We have received by bank. So we'll write by bank. Clear, beta? Any?
Yes, sir.
Students, फिर से पूछ रहा हूं, if any kind of doubt you can ask me, then I'll go ahead. Any doubt, students? Students, any doubt?
No, sir.
Fine. Now check the next entry. In next entry again, to loan of B. So to loan of B. 2 means on credit side 31,320. What we will write? By interest on loan. Amount is 2250. Posting clear, students? Students, posting clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
there is nothing of loan of B apart from these two entries. So we'll make the total of it. Credit side, it is 32,250. Same amount will write on debit side 32,250. On 31/3/2020, this amount will be transferred to balance. So balance credit forward amount is 32,250. Am I clear to everyone, students? Students, clear till now?
Yes, sir.
This balance
Yes,
will
sir.
be the opening balance in next year. It is debit over here, so we'll write on credit side 1420 by balance drop down amount is 32,250. Clear, students? Any doubt? Students, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Finish till now, then we'll discuss loan of C. यहाँ तक कंप्लीट कर लो बेटा, फिर अपन लोन ऑफ सी डिस्कस करेंगे. स्टूडेंट्स, कोई भी डाउट हो, you can ask me. Finish it out, then we'll discuss loan of C.
Done, sir.
So can you send it pic?
Students, please update once you finish that sum so that we can move ahead.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Everyone done, students?
Done, sir.
Everyone done? Anyone who is left with the sum? Anyone there beta, who is left with the sum? Great. Let's make.
Sir,
Yes,
the
beta.
amount cannot be seen properly.
Amount is 32,250.
Amount cannot be seen properly by balance.
By balance brought down 32,250. Total amount. 30,000 is loan amount and 2,250 is interest amount. So total amount is 32,250. That is to be transferred to balance credit forward. And this balance credit forward will be by balance brought down of the next financial year. Students, am I clear to everyone?
How come
Yes, any?
so this interest on loan? How come the amount 2250?
See, we have taken a loan
We have
of
to take
30,000.
the option.
See, Henny, we have taken a loan of 30,000 and the rate of interest is 10%. So 30,000 into 10 upon 100. The date of loan is 1/7/19. So from 1/7/19 to 31/3/20. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So there are 9 months. So into 9/12. You will calculate the amount will be 2250 for B. And in the same manner, amount of C is 20,000 into 10 upon 100 into 9/12. So amount of C's interest is 1500. Clear, Henny?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure, Henny? Henny,
Yes.
are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Students, anyone has any kind of doubt, feel free to ask me. Shall I go ahead, students? Okay.
Yes.
In the same way, we will make loan of C's account. Loan of C. Date, particular, journal folio number, rupees, date, particular, journal folio number, and rupees. Students, in first entry, loan of C is 2. 2 means I told you on credit side, date is 1/7/19. Will write by bank account. C's loan amount is 20,000. Clear, students? Students, clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
in the second entry, 2 loan of C. Again 2. So it must be on credit side. 31,320 will write by interest on loan amount is 1,500. Am I clear, students, to everyone? Students, we are making
Yes, sir.
loan of C's account. In first entry, loan of C is 2. 2 means credit. So on credit side, we wrote the date 1/7/19 by bank. Amount is 20,000. In second entry, again, loan of C is 2. 2 means credit. On credit side, we wrote the date 31/3/20 by what is the amount of? It is the amount of interest on loan. So by interest on loan of C is 1,500. Concept clear, students, to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So we'll make the total of it and find out the balance. Total is 21,500, 21,500, 31,320 to balance credit forward 21,500. Same on the next financial year, this balance credit forward, if it is on debit side, it will be on credit side by balance brought down or brought forward 21,500. Sum clear to everyone, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, finish it. We'll do one more sum so that everything will be clear to everyone.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Great.
Done, sir.
Great. Students done, everyone? Everyone done, students?
Yes, sir.
किसी का बाकी हो तो प्लीज बताओ बेटा, तो वेट करो, नहीं तो मैं नेक्स्ट सम ले जाऊं.
No, sir. Done.
Fine, चलो. We'll write the next sum, students. लिखो बेटा. Because students, one more sum like this, then we'll move to the next topic. A, B and C are partners. A, B and C are partners. A, B and C are partners. Full stop. A and C, A, B and C are partners. Full stop. A and C has advanced A, B and C are partners. Full stop. A and C has advanced loan of rupees 60,000 and 80,000. Rupees 60,000 and 80,000 on 1/10/19 full stop. Firm provides 12% interest on loan. Firm provides 12% interest on loan. Full stop. Year ends on 31st March 2020. 31st March 2020. Full stop. Write journal entries and prepare loan account. Write journal entries and prepare loan account. Students, journal entry. Date, particular, LF, debit rupees and credit rupees. Students, three partners are there, A, B and C. A and C has advanced loan of rupees 60,000 and 80,000 on 1/7/19 to firm. 1/7/19, firm has received the amount from B and C, received the amount, so debit what comes in, amount comes in, so bank account debit to, from where we have received the amount, loan of A, loan of C. From A, we have received the amount of 60,000. From C, we have received the amount of 80,000. Firm has received total 1,40,000. Journal entry clear, students, to everyone? First one entry.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion, students?
No, sir.
Girls, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so now being amount of loan received. Students, year ends on 31st March 2020. Firm has received the loan from B and C, so firm is supposed to pay interest to B on C. Firm is paying interest, so interest is expense, so it is to be debited. Interest on loan account debited to whom we are supposed to pay the interest? Loan of A and to loan of C. Journal entry clear, students? Students, journal entry clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, amount.
Yes, sir.
From A, we have taken the loan of 60,000 into, tell me the percentage, students? It is
12%.
10%. 10 or 12?
12.
12%, sir.
12%.
So 12 upon 100 into, we have taken the loan on 1719. So 7, 8,
So
9.
110.
We have taken loan on 110.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
110, 19.
Okay. So 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So there are 6 months. 6 upon 12. So amount of interest would be 3600 for B. Sorry, for A. Calculation clear, students, to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And in the same way, we have taken loan of 80,000 from C into 12% into 6 upon 12. So interest is 4800 for C. Am I clear, students, to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
total
sir.
interest is 4 plus 3, 7, 8,400. Being interest on loan is provided. Students, any doubt in second and first and second entry, students?
No.
Students, any doubt
No,
in
sir.
first and second entry? Shall we move ahead?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so students, as I told you, as per accounting rules, all kind of incomes and expenses are to be closed on 31st March 2020. Interest on loan is our expense, so it must be closed. All incomes and all expenses are to be closed from profit and loss account. So 31st March 2020, you have debited interest on loan over here. So when you close it, it will be credited to interest on loan 8400. And what will be debited? As I told you, all income and all expenses are to be closed from profit and loss. So profit and loss account debited 8400 to interest on loan. Journal entry number 3. Clear to everyone, students? Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So being interest on loan is closed. We'll make the total over here. 16,800. 1,56,800 will be the total. Clear, students? Now we'll make loan of A account. Loan of A account. Date. Particular. JF. Rupees. Date. Particular. JF and rupees. Students, we are making loan of A. In first journal entry, loan of A is 2. Students, 2 means credit. So on credit side, we'll write the date 1919 by From where amount is received? Bank. So we'll write by bank. Loan of A, amount is 60,000. Posting clear, students, to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, students? Now, in second
Yes, sir.
journal entry, loan of A is again 2. So 2 means on credit side, we'll write the date 31/3/20. A has received 3,600 from where? From interest on loan. So we'll write by interest on loan, amount of A's loan is 3,600. Clear, students, to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
now
sir.
we'll make the total of it. The total is 63,600. Same amount will be written over here. On 31/3/20, this amount is transferred to balance credit forward 63,600. And for the next financial year, the balance credit forward is debit, then balance brought down will be on the credit side by balance brought down, amount is 63,600. Loan of A clear to everyone, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Finish it out, students. Then we'll make loan of C. Make it fast. Make it
Done,
fast,
sir.
students.
Done, sir.
I'm just waiting for the other students. Let everyone complete.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Everyone done, students?
सर आपने डेबिट साइड कौन सी अमाउंट लिखी है?
63600. Total क्या बता? 60 plus 3,600. Total is 63,600. The same amount is transferred to balance credit forward. Everyone clear, students? Who have not finished yet? Please update, students. Everyone done, students? Copied, everyone?
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So in the same way, we'll make loan of C. Be careful, students. After that sum, you will have to do a sum. Then we'll move to the next topic. Okay, students. Now we are making loan of C account. As per the first journal entry, loan of C is 2. So again 2 is on credit side. We write the date 1/10/19 by. Amount is received by a bank and amount of loan is 80,000. Then in the second entry, 2 loan of C again. So 2 means on credit side 31/3/20 will write by interest on loan, amount is 4,800. So the total is 84,800 and this 84,800 is to be transferred to balance credit forward 84,800, then 1,420 by balance brought down 84,800. Am I clear, everyone? Loan of C is clear to everyone, students? Loan of C clear to everyone, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt to anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Finish it out, students.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Everyone done?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Students, just 2 minutes left for this meeting. I'm ending it out. You are joining again with the same ID and same password. Then we'll start the next topic. Join again students with the same ID password.